Good morning, people. It's 8 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, just now I woke up. I don't know why, but I'm having a slight headache. I don't know why, but yeah, my sleep is completed already. Because yesterday night only I slept at around before 12 a.m. Before 12 I was asleep. My head is slightly I'm having a slight headache, and I don't know why. What happened to my right side eyelid? It's kind of getting swollen. Let's see. Let's get freshen up. Let's get freshen up. Have some tea. Then let's go for a walk. Yeah. And yeah, also take a tablet for the headache. Good morning, guys. It's almost 9 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, I didn't go for a walk because I was not feeling it. I had a smoke a while ago. And yeah, today I'm feeling a bit tired. I don't know why. And my brain, my head is also kind of aching. I might need to take some tablet, I guess. Yeah. After breakfast, I will have some. And yeah, this eye, I don't know what happened to this eye. Yeah, let's see. I have nothing else much to talk about because right now I'm not in the mood to self so-called document and to log also. But yeah, today also we have rest of the pending work as of yesterday. So I want to make this place clean as fuck. I have enough of the images also. One of my friend who is studying architecture, and she's also an interior designer. She had her father interior designer. But yeah, she also sent me a few of the photos so that I can make the most use of this place. Yeah, let's see what I can do. So right now I will walk for a while, take the sun, vitamin D, and maybe do some yoga shit. And I am having a very bad headache, guys. I don't know if I would be able to continue this vlog for today, but yeah, I'll try to. Let's see how the days goes so far, how the days goes ahead. Yeah, let's do that. And yeah, this is it, pretty much it, because I don't have much to talk about. Because yeah, if there's something comes up that I feel like sharing with you, I'll definitely. So yeah, let's. And for you guys, do what you gotta do. Do what you want to do. Yeah, see ya. Peace out. You must be feeling also. I'm seeing as low in energy. Yeah, let's do this. Let's see. Peace out, bitch. Hello guys, this is day 2 and me cleaning this shit up. You can see this is still looking kinda shitty as fuck. But yeah, give me 2 days, give me this week, I would say. I will transform this place into a clean fucking terrace. And yeah, I've been doing this shit. Working, yeah, though I feel not quite good. My head is kinda in pain. My body is sore. But yeah, still, you gotta do what you gotta do. No excuses. No one's coming to save you, so it's you versus you. If not, you will do it. Either you do it or make someone else do it. But yeah, that's not the case with me right now. It's me versus no one. So I only need to clear this shit up because I only want this, and nobody can see my vision. People are there, people in my home still be doubting me that what's gonna happen. So let them doubt, shut their faces with the results. So I have decided not to speak much about anything, not just with this, but in life. Don't even speak none to mediocre people, because people be thinking with their perception, and you are no one to. You are literally no one to change their perspective. The day before I saw a reel, it's about perception and perspective. So perception means, to say in simpler words, is how we see the world. And once, be it right or wrong, it doesn't matter. It is what you see the world with the lens you wore, and that's the reality for you. So everyone, me, you, everyone has their own perception about the world. So that's their reality. They have made according to their needs and wants and their convenience. But perspective is something that when you try to see by being in someone else's shoe, it's you trying to being in my shoes or me trying to being in your shoes, then trying to see your perception. That's called perspective. So you gotta see other people's perspective also. You gotta learn this, so that you be, master of everything. I don't know what's the right word to call this. Yeah, having a perception is okay, but try to see the other people's perspective also, because that's gonna get you ahead, way ahead in your life, because that's how we do. So that's enough motivation philosophy shit for now. I'll get back to lifting these rooftops and putting it over there, because once it gets around 12 1 p.m. it becomes very sunny out in here, so it becomes quite difficult to work these things up. So let me do as much as I can do. I'm not in a rush. Yeah, let's do this. After some time we'll go have some breakfast and then maybe have a smoke, and yeah, that's it guys. I hope you are having a massive awesome day. If not, it's you gotta do what you gotta do. See you. Guys, this is my physical condition as of now. I've been working out since past 1 week seriously, like earlier, and the only problem is I haven't started dieting, which I will once I got enough money for this. Yeah, I think it's okay for starters. I'm not able to see my back. Yeah, it's okay. Hello guys, it's 10:30 almost in the morning. So what we gotta do in half an hour is clean this thing and put it there, and this thing and put it there, and throw these things off of the terrace. And yeah, we only got half an hour, maybe 1 hour, because after 11:30 or 12 p.m. it's kind of getting so hot fucking in here, so that could be the main concern. Not for me to work out. And yeah, I need to get shower also and go to temple, because it's been 2 days I haven't been to temple. So that's fucking that. So yeah, this look fucking so shitty as badass. But yeah, now as I told you in the morning I was having a bit headache, but yeah, right now I don't have any. I think I haven't took any medicine, but yeah, I'm feeling okay now. So yeah, I can see myself through that glass. So that's that. So let me get the shit going. Yeah, let me get this thing clean up, and I will see you guys in maybe half an hour. Not in half an hour, maybe in the afternoon, or yeah, let's see how can I do this. Yeah, see you guys. Peace out. Do something with your life. I have nothing else to do, so that's why I'm starting to do something up. Yeah, see you. Peace fucking out. Hello guys, it's almost 12 p.m. in the afternoon. You can see the sun has already on our fucking head. So it doesn't make sense to lift this heavy shit right now. So we will let this shit up in the late afternoon or in the evening, maybe at around 4 4 in the evening. That's not gonna happen one single day, but yeah, it looks nice now. Yeah, the roofs are stacked over up here awesomely. Yeah, this will be vanished in a couple of days. Let's work on the fucking stupid ass transition. I just now got showered up. Yeah, this is the spot. Yeah, this still looks kind of shit, but yeah. So the thing is, I just now got showered up. I'm feeling fucking fresh and awesome. Head is also not paining at all now. Only the right eyelid is fucked up, and that doesn't matter actually. So right now I have an interview. That's why I wore this white shirt. Interview for that one of the hostel company. You might know, front desk executive, associate, something like that. I'm not interested to work at a job, but yeah, to make that didn't happen, I gotta have some money first, right? So that's why, whether I want it or not, whether I like it or not, I gotta do some work. Yeah, let's do that. Let's try that, and the interview will be at 12:15, 12:30, something like that. And let's see. I'll have some breakfast now, and I'll see you guys in the afternoon. Yeah, see you. Hello guys, it's 3:30 in the afternoon. I didn't took a nap actually. I was just watching YouTube videos and listening to songs. Right now I have decided to despite of wasting time, why not start working? I got into my work clothes, stupid ass clothes. So that doesn't matter, it gets dirty or what. So our task is, before it's 5 p.m. we gotta clear this shit up and throw these fucking roofs. And if there are any okayish roofs, I will arrange it over here, and otherwise I will throw every single piece of it to that empty land, which is of another person. But yeah, let's not get into that. It's quite hot in here already. Fucking summer, guys. I'm feeling awesome. I don't know why. There is no particular reason, but yeah, I'm feeling nice. I don't know why. You gotta start feeling awesome, guys. You don't have to have a reason always just to feel happy about yourself. Be happy with no reason. You are alive. Isn't that the enough reason for you to be happy? You are already alive. You are living in the best time of the earth. Isn't this enough reason for us to be happy and achieving everything that we ever wish? So why not make most of what you have already? So I better be start working, because it is a lot of shit that I need to clear up. But yeah, I'll do this and I will see you guys maybe in the evening. And yeah, today is the leg day, which we will do, of course, no matter what. Yeah, I'll do legs, and yeah, maybe I might make a tea for myself right now, just to because I like it. That is it, guys. I have wore glasses because it's kind of hot in here. That's why. After don't get misunderstanding. Yeah, even if you get out of here. Okay, that is it, guys. I'll see you in a while. Peace out. Hello, guys. Good evening. It's almost 4:45 in the evening. I have also started my leg workout, and yeah, along with the leg workout, I will hit shoulders, because yeah, shoulders are as important as any other body part. So yeah, what I was doing is I did 3 sets of overhead dumbbell press. Then I will do 3 to 4 sets of leg workout, hamstring focus, yeah, and calves, and yeah, few quads exercise. And yeah, that's about the workout. And yeah, the things that I need to do, I have been doing and I will be doing till another hour, 1.5 hour, until it gets dark, to be honest. And yeah, those are things are going to be there. Let's not talk about, let's ignore those for a while. What I was telling you, what I felt of sharing with you guys is I just that thought came in my mind that it doesn't matter how many times you fail. It really, truly, honestly, it doesn't matter if you fail 1,000 times, if in a single thing, or at the thing that you always wanted to do, or did anything. It doesn't matter if you fail at times. What matters is you show up, you give it your 1,000%, and you try and you learn from your every mistakes that you make along with the process. So that's the important thing. So let's say I have this plan of making a business. I actually have several plans, but yeah, what matters truly is I give in all of it into it, and just forget about the results at all. Let's say results truly doesn't matter if you are loving the process. You have trust in the process that you're walking on the path of. Well, fuck results, man. Just do what you gotta do and enjoy the work. Working out, not just lifting weights. I'm talking about working out in life. This itself should be as fun as you waiting for that ultimate reward. I hope you got my point. So instead of focusing solely and wholly on reward itself, guys, let me just show you. This tempo is straight from Akkalkot. Maybe there's a some temple things might be there, that Palki and all, which I'm least interested in. Yeah, that's that. Forget about that. No, don't forget about that. Remember God. Remember God. As a Khabib always say, this is what he does in every face cam video. So that's that. Do what you gotta do. You know what you should be doing. Forget about the results. Put in the work and just trust the process. That is it, guys. That's what I felt of sharing with you. Now I will get back with my work, and I will see you guys in the evening. Hello guys. I'm still working, cleaning this shit up, and also side by side I'm working out. So what I want to share is life is a game, and we are in a simulation. There is a high chance that we are not in a simulation. I hope you have know this theory already, because if you know it already, then it might be easier for you to understand what I'm trying to say here. So when we play a video game, a simulated virtual reality game, then we be in control of the character that we be in the game. So we be the controller of the character, which is us, in the virtual game. So we decide how the character does things, on points, kill people in the game. I'm saying, yeah, of course, in the real world it happens already, but yeah, in the game, on points, on money. So there's a high chance this life is it's the same, right? What is it that is in that video game that is not in the real game? Because whatever the things we have in the real world, those are somehow replicated into and submerged into that game, right? So if we can do anything there is a conformity that we can surely do it in the real fucking life. So play the life's game as if you own the game. Be the owner, take control of your life, be the owner, be accountable, be responsible, be more responsible, and be fucking awesome in every aspect. Be a fucking ninja. You can, in your character, so-called game character, you can do the shit, unrealistic shit you can do. You can jump high, you can you can learn every weapon, you use every type of modified so-called guns and all. So the same way in real life, try to incorporate yourself in learning new things as much as you can, to say. Be a fucking ninja, guys. Learn shit, learn coding, get physically fit, learn about diet, learn about consciousness, spirituality. There are so much things to learn. Just open your eyes so wide that you see beyond what your eyes can see. Have a vision so clear that be unshakable, unfazed, cruel, striving for the growth, no matter what, how you feel, how ill you are going through the worst shit of your life. It doesn't matter. In the bigger picture, it truly doesn't matter. When we look at a problem, we just focus too much on the problem that we think it's a gigantic problem. But if you try to see from the third perspective view, it feels like nothing. So many times we have observed that when our friend is in, first of all, there is no one. Friends is a myth. So there is someone whom you might know is in trouble, but at that time we be the world's biggest advisor with the similar or even the more negligible problem than that comes in our life. We become so arrogant, not arrogant, but yeah, ignorant, that we think that problem, how to get out of this problem. So sometimes it's better to give advice, but you can't give advice to your own self. So that's that. I hope you are resonating, understanding what I'm trying to tell you. So that's quite deep shit. Not that deep, yeah. If you are here from the day one, but yeah, do what you gotta do. This is only one life. Either you be lazy as fuck, or either you die trying. Do whatever you want to do. Die trying. Make mistakes. Fuck up. Do epic shit, because it truly doesn't matter. Be miserable or be great. Choose what you want to do. See you guys. Hello guys, it's 9 p.m. in the late night, early night, late evening, whatever you want to like to call. Yeah, I just finished my walk of an hour. I went at around Arago. Yeah, what did I just say? Fuck it. 1 hour ago. 1 hour. I'm just repeating the same shit, man. I just went I just walked for an hour. That's it. Now I'm going home. Today I'm feeling very tired, because since morning itself I was working, cleaning the shit up on the terrace itself. Yeah, bear with me. Let's see. Bear with me with the journey throughout until I die, maybe. And after I die, we can find somebody else to watch too. It's a nice, peaceful night. You can see. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, it's quite a moon, half moon. I can see. But yeah, I just now came back. I'll be at home maybe in 5 to 10 minutes. I'll buy a smoke, which I will smoke, because that's what we do. We fucking smoke. But yeah, I'm proud not too crowded. Smoking a cigarette is not proud at all. But yeah, I feel glad that I have not changed. Okay, yeah, that's a big word, I guess. I have not been smoking since past couple of, not even couple of weeks, past 1 week I would say, as if I was smoking earlier. Like I used to smoke, almost 25 to 30 to 35 to 40. I don't know. I used to not even count because if I tried to count, I used to get afraid how many when I'm smoking. That's why I don't used to count and track the cigarettes. But yeah, also I tried using a couple of apps. That one of the best apps was that Quit Sure, and yeah, I had a couple of many. But yeah, application they help you track. But yeah, it all comes down to willpower and knowing that whatever thing you are doing, it's not at all helping you in any kind of way. Of course, it might be helpful in some aspects, but yeah, you should know if anything is benefiting you. You should know how much benefit you are getting and how much loss that thing is doing to you. So if it's a good, deal, of course do it. Just like I'll give you an example of working out. Yeah, it harms your body. It makes your body get in pain. But yeah, over the period of time, it helps you build muscle. So unlike smoking, of course, if you keep on doing every day, it's gonna fuck up your lungs and you might even die with cancer. So that's that. So you better should know what are the consequences of the things that you do. So that's what I wanted to tell with you. Now I'll go home and I'll see you again tomorrow. Yeah, that is it, guys. Peace out.